Hello guys, welcome back with third and last puzzle in the additional, not in today's newspaper on Tuesday March the 21st 2023, first day of the spring, because in today's newspaper we have only one regular puzzle and it's a medium Sudoku. No additional, no extra puzzles, so I've decided to solve the puzzles left in the edition of Friday March the 10th 2023, a while ago. I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the 2 stars puzzle. Well, this one, tough one, is a 3 stars, I think. So one puzzle is left, and it's the Tectonic with 1 star. And this will be number 6152. Alright. 6152. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 19 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard one has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. Of course, it's indicated with 1 star, and for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here, single box, always a 1. Do we see here dual boxes? I see here dual box. Their dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. I do not know. Same for here. I do not know in which order. So let me mark those again. Triple boxes. Next question. Do we have here triple boxes in this puzzle? Here triple box, there triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, I do not know. The numbers can be everywhere. Insufficient information. But when you see a triple box, remember the inside box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 4 in the same area, so it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5 then. Here, another triple box. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And the 1 could be everywhere. Here, the inside box, the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. We already have a 5 here in this W area shape. So this box should be 4 then. Alright. Next question. Quadra boxes. Do we have quadra boxes in this puzzle? No quadra boxes, I see. Next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Here another one, but mirrored. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's the 1 or a 2 here. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. More. Here another one. Wow, a lot of kind of shapes. This kind of shapes. This box has the same number as that box. Yeah, this is the last one. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape. When you see this kind of shape. Come on. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. Alright. More? Let me check. No. And the last shape, figure, structures or construction, the L shape. mirrored. Yeah. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Only three. Three shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These two boxes can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So one box left for the 3 in this area should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So one box left for the 5 in this L-shaped area should be there. Alright. Okay, these two boxes can be a 5. So one box left for the 5 in this area should be there. This box can be a 4, so one box left for the 4 in this area should be here. So 2 numbers left up here in this area for numbers 1 and a 2, 1 and 2. And this connected with that box should be also 1 or a 2. This is also a pair, 1 or a 2. Here also a pair, 1 and a 2 in this L-shaped area. Alright. And now, these two boxes can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 1. So the 1 goes together with the 3 as a pair. The other pair should be the 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5. And this one is connected with that box should be also 2 and the 5. And this box is also connected with that box should be also 2 and the 5. So 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 4 and the 3. No. We have a 3 here. 4 and the 1. 4 and the 1. Alright. Then. Let me see. This box, these two boxes can be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here or there, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So these two boxes can be a 3, but also that box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. So one box left for the 3 in this area should be there. This box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. This box cannot also be a 4. So the 1 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. And this box is connected with that box should be also 1 or a 4. 1 digit left in this area for number 2. Alright. Let me think. Need a 3 here. Okay. These two boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. One box left in this W area shape for number 1. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So one box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be there. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So one box left for the 4 in this W area shape should be there. So 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. No 1 goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These two boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. This box can be 1. This box can be 3. So 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So 1 digit left in this triple box for number 2. These two boxes can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 3 there. That means that box can be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So this box will be definitely a 1, and that box will be a 3. These two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. So the other pair in this area should be the 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. Okay. Let me see. Well, this box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 2 there. That means that this box can be 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be definitely a 1, and that box should be a 2. These two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area from us. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. That means we have a double 3 there. It means that this box can be 3 and more. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 3 and a 2, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Alright, this box can be a 1. This box can be a 4. So the 1 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Means 1 digit left in this area for number 2. We have a double 1 here. And a double 4. That means that this box can be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 2. It's connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. I've marked this box with 1 or a 2. So we already have a 2 there, so this box should be a 1. Is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 1 digit left in this area for number 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 2. 4 and a 1, we already have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Then. Well, this box can be a 1. This box can be a 2, so the 1 and the 2 goes together as a pair. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. So I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. Alright. Okay. Well, we have a double 1 there and a double 4 there. That means that this box can't be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 should be there, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, this box should be a 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 1 box left in this area for number 1. These two boxes can be 1, those two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes at there. Finish in 30 minutes. Told you. Need to be faster than 50 minutes is indicated with 1 star. Correct. So I like this one, and I'm very pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow on Wednesday. Yes. Wednesday, we have new puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.